Hello everybody, you probably recognize these. These are pool noodles. You see them all the time in pools and things like that. But we see them used creatively in conduit builds because they fit over top of conduit perfectly, as you see here. And they work great. We see them all the time for kayak carts, different kind of storage racks for boats and other things, because they just add a nice barrier between whatever it is you're storing and the conduit. Instead of having something on this bare conduit, you're loading your kayak or whatever it may be a bunch of different times, and it could be rubbing against this. But instead, you just have this nice barrier between whatever it is you're storing, and it's really simple and it works great. And we've also seen it used in some other cool stuff, like some art pieces from Seattle Design Nerds. They put lights inside the noodles and made this really cool structure that you could walk under in Seattle. They also did a Valentine's Day piece where, based on how you moved, you could see a heart set up, and they just used pool noodles basically to create just a really cool Valentine's Day art piece. And like I said, it's just super simple. You can find pool noodles right now at Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, all kinds of different places. But if you need something in the winter time, you can get some of this pipe insulation from Lowe's or Home Depot. It's used as an insulator for, I think, gas pipes. So you normally can find it close by to the copper piping. And it comes with a slit already in it. Well, it's actually just perforated. It's not separated yet, so you can leave it intact if you want to, or you can separate it and then pop it over the conduit. And you can do the same thing with a pool noodle. You can leave it intact as it is like this, and then slide it over the conduit, or you can just use a knife or scissors or something and just add a slit all the way down so you can just pop it over the conduit. And it's really simple. And like I said, you can get this. This is about $6 for just a couple dollars for 6 feet of it. And it's just a great thing to use, especially if pool noodles aren't out and about in stores. We saw Jacob recently use these in a couple really cool ways. He built a storage rack for 3D printers, and he basically got some of these pipe hangers, conduit hangers, and put over top of the conduit and over top of the foam here, and made basically like a shock absorber for his 3D printers, which is really cool. And then he also used it in a desk build. Normally whenever you secure a tabletop or something to a conduit frame, you'll have just a little bit of gap between the top that you put on the conduit and the one-hole strap and everything. But with this, he basically added just a little bit of elevation above the pipes and connectors, and then put his desktop on top of it. So just a really creative way to use these, and we've seen all kinds of other ways as well, and we can't wait to see how else other people use them. So thanks everybody for watching. Let us know down in the comments if you have an idea for using these and what you think of this hack. Thanks everybody. We'll see you in the next video.